Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Lincoln MKX 2011 to 2015? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Lincoln MKX 2011 to 2015 is located near the front left side of the engine bay, close to the battery. It houses high amperage fuses and relays for key systems such as the powertrain control module, ABS, fuel pump, electric cooling fan, and transmission. This fuse box ensures reliable power distribution to critical components and supports efficient performance and easy underhood diagnostics. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Lincoln MKX 2011 to 2015 is located under the dashboard on the driver's side, near the brake pedal. It controls circuits for interior systems like power windows, door locks, interior lighting, infotainment, heated seats, and climate controls. Designed for convenience, this fuse box allows easy access for diagnosing and replacing fuses related to cabin electronics.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.